Hi beautifuls, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am doing another makeup tutorial. I just thought I had to sneeze. Anyways, I'm doing a makeup tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be doing some gyaru polka dot makeup because I've been seeing this a lot on my Pinterest, polka dot makeup with a ton of spots and stuff, and I think it's so cute and I really want to try it. I just really want to add some whimsy to my makeup, you know? Check out the new hair. Totally didn't just make this video to show off my new hair, but let's go straight to the video and let's do this polka dot makeup. Okay, so as you can see, I already did the eyebrows because in all my makeup looks, I always do straight, thin eyebrows. Now we actually have some time to work on the eyeshadow. Hold on, I'm thirsty. I'm so thirsty. Hold on. Literally, this video is being recorded like on the jump of when I wake up, so I'm also kind of getting ready for school, so you can see a little bit of my everyday makeup routine a little bit. I want to go ahead and prime my eyelids with some concealer, just blending this concealer out on my eyes. Now I'm just putting some powder over that concealer. Now we're ready for some eyeshadow. Okay, here is a finished eyeshadow, but I'm actually not going to add the spots right now. But for right now, I think it looks really good. Time to start the face makeup right now, so I'm going to use some e.l.f. How'd You Get Primer. I use this in all my videos because it's really good for helping my makeup actually stick to my skin. But I have some dry behind skin, so I need something that'll actually help it stick to my skin. But guys, it's freaking spring. That's so cool. Except for the pollen everywhere, that's actually not really cool. Unfortunately, I will sneeze at anything. This literally feels like I'm a newborn baby versus like a nuclear bomb. Here's the foundation I'm using. I always like to make it really matte, which is why I use this matte foundation, and I just put it everywhere on my face. Perfect, guys. I think the foundation looks pretty smooth, so let's do the concealer. I use the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer. I'm actually gonna go ahead and work on my nose first. To contour my nose, I use this thin brush with some Fenty Beauty concealer on it. Oh, period. This is how the nose contour turned out. I'm just gonna put the rest of the concealer on my face and I will see you when we're done. I'm going to go ahead and set the concealer underneath my eyes. NYX HD finishing powder, because we don't want to look creasy today. Absolutely not. And while we're at it, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my entire face. I'm actually really back into baking. I really like to bake, so we're gonna bake today. Now it's actually time to work back on the eyes. Okay, here is the eye makeup so far. Just gonna add a little bit of a bigger wing, like right here. Now it is time to actually add the spots. Okay, here are the dots for this eye. I'm gonna have to do the other eye off camera because that was kind of a struggle. Okay, so I added like a couple swirlies just to make it a little bit more fun. Now I'm just gonna add some fake moles because I always add fake moles, y'all. Now I'm gonna do the contour just to shape it up my face a little bit. Now I'm gonna do some blush. Y'all, this makeup is looking so good. I'm really happy with how the eyes turned out. I think it's looking super cute. Now I'm just gonna put my lashes on. Look at this, guys. I feel like a princess right now. This is so whimsical and really cute. I love that polka dots are coming back because I love polka dots. I feel like they're such a cute design and it looks so good on this makeup. Let's go ahead and do the lips. For my lips, let's just go ahead and do my regular lip combo. Okay guys, this is the finished makeup look. I think it looks super cute. I love polka dots. They look so good on my eyes. I feel like a princess right now. Like, this is so cute. I definitely recommend you guys to try polka dot makeup, especially on your eyes. Yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching this makeup video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I also recommend you guys to try this. Definitely, it's so cute. Let me know what other makeup styles, makeup looks I should try down in the comments below. Thank you for staying tuned, and I had so much fun on this video. I think this looks so cute. I'm just feeling joyful this morning, you know? Like, feeling like a baddie, period. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much.